Oh man, that was a blast. That was definitely the funnest day so far. The zip lining was fantastic. We saw that all the monkeys in the tree. It was great. We came back to the beach, surfed a little bit. We just grabbed some breakfast. We're gonna head out to the beach. Everyone's kind of hanging out by the beach today, just having a calm and relaxing day, just doing some more surfing. Just came back, grabbed some stuff for this stupid cold sore, man. Every time I get nervous and I travel, I get cold sores. It's the worst thing and I hate dealing with them, but whatever. Get back out to the water. We're gonna go surf. How's surfing?
I'm dying.
Dying? Why are you dying? Right? Look at how gorgeous that is. Shoo-hoo!
Whatever, 360.
Fantastic day at the beach again. What we do? We surfed, we swam, went to the pool, had lunch, saw the crocodiles, super intense. Now it's time for a welcome dinner. So this is where our welcome dinner is happening. It's for everyone in the wedding being welcomed to Costa Rica on behalf of Ian and Shannon. So we're gonna have a little get together here and then at the beach, and we're gonna have a cool sunset because the sunsets are just the best in Costa Rica. And that's about it. So everyone's semi-dressed up. Girls are looking fancy. Got my mingos on. Mingos are looking fresh in Costa Rica. Tay's looking fresh in her floral. Babs is looking fresh over here, getting some bug spray on. Because she's getting eaten. She's the only one that's getting eaten. Actually, Taylor's got a couple bites too, but yeah, we're gonna get down to that dinner. Alright, so back down below, we got the monkeys up in the tree. Up there. Major monkey doo-doo going on. That's no fun. Oh, monkey poop. Look at these two little, oh, you can't really see Taylor because of the sun. These two little gorgeous ladies. Where my little girls go? I knew Babs was. Babs is so gorgeous. Food's coming out.
Oh my
Sun
God.
is going down. Gorgeous. This is perfection.
Hello everybody. I can't talk that loud and I'm not very good at speeches either. Come on, you like my accent? This is the fake accent. First of all, I'd like to say to Shannon and her family, welcome to the Etherington clan. And there's also the Dolan clan. No. They're Irish, but we love the Irish. Go Irish! To these guys, to pick a fantastic venue like this, and to have the group like this supporting them tomorrow in their wedding is a great testament to these two, of all the friends and family that have showed up. A big cheers, a big toast. I'll bring this, whatever that is. Cheers to these guys. Oh, we're doing that tomorrow. Yeah.
One of my favorite things about coming here to Costa Rica is, like, as far as the girls go, there's not like a lot for them to do on their own, so it forces them to hang out together and like do things together, so it brings them closer, and it's just a really good like bonding experience for them, and then me and Babs, we get to get a little bit closer too at the same time, so it's a good family experience for all going all around.